Caution: during device insertion, ensure the safety remains in the locked position to prevent inadvertent activation of the firing trigger, which could lead to unintended knife exposure and premature partial or full staple deployment. Make sure the anvil is securely attached. An audible click should be heard when anvil snaps into the full seated position. Make sure the orange indicator dial is fully within the green range and the surgeon confirms that the tissue is adequately compressed for proper anastomosis.